Friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in this video we're going to discuss the beautiful POP false ceiling designs. What are the advantages and what are the price for making these POP false ceiling designs, and the points to consider before installing these designs, and which are the best brands. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about why false ceilings are such a popular choice for homes or even in the office, because it has some beautiful advantages. Like first one is the aesthetic appeal. False ceiling can transform a boring ceiling into a design masterpiece. From sleek POP designs to layered patterns, they add the elegance and make your space look modern and polished. So you can go with different designs like you can see in this video. Another advantages of hiding imperfections like wiring, pipes or uneven ceilings. Falsely covers them up, giving a room a clean and clutter-free look. It gives like giving your ceiling a makeover, and it improves the energy efficiency. So by lowering the ceiling height, false ceiling reduces the volume of the room, which can help with the air conditioning and heating, so which save you money and energy. False ceilings are a canvas for creating the lighting, so you can add recessed lights, curve lights, or even the chandeliers to create the perfect ambience for any rooms, even living room, bedrooms. Another false ceilings are great for even like kitchens also. So friends, now let me talk about the price in India. So POP is one of the most popular materials for false ceilings because it is versatile and gives a smooth, elegant finish. So it totally depends upon the several factors like material quality, design complexity, locations, labor charges. The higher quality POP is more expensive but ensures its durability. And for in complexity designs, simple designs are cheaper, while intricate patterns or layer designs cost more due to the skill labor. And the price depends upon the locations also. By city, metro cities like Mumbai or Delhi might be pricier than higher than smaller towns. And the labor charges installation depends upon the expertise of the contractor. So on an average, the current price for the year 2025, the POP false ceiling designs ranges from 90 rupees to 110 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon the designs. So if we'll go with the simple designs, yeah, so let me take some example. Like your room size is 10 by 10, so the total ceiling area is 100 square feet, and we will consider 90 rupees per square feet. So we will multiply this 90 into 100. The price comes is almost 9,000 rupees per 100 square feet area. And if you want to go with the complex designs with lighting, it could be up to 110 to 20 rupees per square feet. And in India, there are the best brands of available. Like choosing the right brand for your POP false ceiling is crucial because for quality and durability. While many local suppliers offer POP, here are the some best brands in India. Their reliability, like first one is the Saint Gobin with Gproc. Another one is JK Lakshmi Cement. Third one is the Sakarni. Fourth is the Birla White. These are the popular brands are available for POP false ceiling materials because they are known for their premium products and primarily known for high quality POP materials. They are trusted for consistent quality and smooth finishes, and it perfect for intricate designs. The POP products are widely used for false ceiling due to their strength and ease of molding. So before you start installing a false ceilings, you should remember some important points to ensure a smooth and successful finishing. Like first, always check the ceiling height. So false ceilings reduce the room height by a few inches. So ensure your room has at least 8.5 to 9 feet of clearance from the floor to ceiling to avoid the cramp feel. So low ceiling might not be ideal for elaborate designs. Another one is the set a budget. So decide your budget upfront because POP is cost effective, but complex designs or premium materials can add up. So don't forget to include labor and lighting cost in your estimate. And always choose the right materials. Like while pop is great for customization, it's not moisture resistant, so avoid in humid areas like bathrooms or even a kitchen. And consider the pvc or treated gypsum for their spaces like in kitchens. And always plan for the lighting, because fall ceiling shines with the right lighting. Decide if you want recessed light, led strips, or pendants. And ensure the wiring is planned before the installations. And always hire the professionals, because it requires the skilled craftsmen for molding and finishings. Hire the experienced contractors, so avoid sagging or cracks over the time. So check their portfolio and reviews before committing. So friends, always check the first important point is the ceiling height, second materials, lighting, professional installations. So taking this step will help you avoid costly mistakes and create a stunning ceiling light that lasts for years. So friends, that's it, and I hope that this video will help you to make amazing fall ceiling designs, because in this video I have explained the cost of fall ceiling of POP designs, and what are the labor charges and points to remember before installing the POP fall ceiling designs, and that I told you which are the best brands for POP fall ceiling. So friends, I hope that you will like this video and like and share this video with your friends, and keep supporting to my channel. So friends, once again I'm requesting that if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel, because we are close to 3,50,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.